Hello everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here from Emotionless Crypto Trading. We're continuing with our daily video series related to Ripple on 13th of September. What a good time, what an amazing week for the space of crypto. If you look at the top 10, we got everything sitting on green, unless we consider the USDC coin, which is a copy of the US dollar. We're talking about the fiat currency of crypto. But that is not the deal here. We see everything sitting on 7 days positive. We see a lot sitting on 24 hours great movements. Ripple has been doing a good job, 5.87, and then performing a lot better than many other altcoins that are sitting amongst the top ones. So that is just great, guys. Let's go forward and see what's happening on the charts. Not before you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We perform daily technical analysis videos on majority of the cryptocurrencies and altcoins. We perform trading videos, we perform educational videos. So this is going to help you a lot. Now what you see here is basically a presentation when I'd like to talk about the major levels of the space. These major levels are starting from the golden pocket, which is in between two yellow lines that we have right there. And the golden pocket seems to be appearing at 36 cents up to 36,500 cents, right? So, 0.36, and then you have the 36.5. The top of that, it's a zone of golden pocket. We've been having a reaction with this on 19th of August. It was the first sign over there. Then we were having basically reactions appearing starting with 10th of September. And then you have a formula here that established so far 4 major tops: 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 major tops, no breakout, no possibility of a stronger reaction that you see. Unfortunately, for the moment, this is what Ripple has been able to put together. At the same time, we had a great move from the bottoms to the top. In 3 days and 16 hours, we have printed a 16%. Now imagine about that with leverage trading as we perform for ourselves and for our clients. That is huge, guys. 16% is definitely a massive move out there. And we strongly see how the space is reacting in terms of leverage trading with a 5x leverage. That's an 80% on your margin, with a 10x leverage, which is putting you on 160%. So you have all the alternatives and possibilities out there for the trading journey. And by the way, for those of you that value education and think that it's behind every success in action, we have our one-to-one coaching dedicated towards pure education directly with me, or I'll take you by hand and teach you how to become a trader. I'll talk about it usually at the end of the video, but make sure to check out. As well, we have our commission trading. You can see this thing on my explanation at the end of this video, guys. So Ripple has been performing very well. Meanwhile, the markets were quite suffering after the sell-offs we had. And it's quite interesting because the sell-off in Ripple's case did not came through that significantly. It's just about 9%. And the low that has been made under the previous structure was just about 2.22. I mean, other cryptos have been dipping 6, 7, 8% under the low of the structure. In this case scenario, Ripple has been performing and holding very well. And on top of that, its reaction on a V-shape was also significant at 9%, which is great in a single day. But then what has happened is we are having a major support appearing on 33 cents. That support was very well represented by the ranging structure between 19th of August and 28th of August. So it was very well confirmed at that time on what does it mean a significant level. We got a reaction on it, and at the time people saw that this place was the one where a lot did longs. So you see the reaction, it's another 10% on the table in slightly more than a day, about 2 days close to that. It's because it has confirmed on the previous major levels that it's holding us again, which is a clear sign of domination. And if we had a domination, it couldn't be confused anymore with a reaction alone. because reactions are always ending up pretty badly for the ones that are buying into the longs. I like to talk about what I'm encircling right now. That's a reaction that ended up massively with a selling pressure on the board. Shiba Inu did those kind of things as well, and I was talking about it. They're not sustainable, guys. So if you don't have the markets pumping with you, every single pump that you get actually is going to be heavily sold because people speculate. This is something a lot of the users do not understand. The movement that is generated in the market needs to be defined of their source. Is it done by the day traders that are just speculating for short term, or is it done by the swing traders that will hold on their trade for a longer period of time? You need to ask yourself these questions, and based on the data we have, we are able to define the responses. So once again, like the video and subscribe. And I'd like to talk about the 4,550 rewards. I'd like to talk about the zero fees trading, including my one-to-one coaching and the commission trading as well on my side. So there's some promos going around that can offer you benefits and rewards, and why not? Looking forward to that. As well, if you value education, just watch this till the end. For those of you interested in trading without fees, we have a promotion on Bybit. So in order to participate in this promotion, you definitely must sign up basically from this specific promo or referral code 41060. This is the one you need to sign up from. So you need to create a new account and get under this specific promo, which is dedicated towards zero fees trading on all pairs. And on top of that, rewards up to $4,550 in a variety of representations, starting from a welcome gift up to deposit blast off, up to derivative trading gifts. So up to 4,550. You can get the promo code at scrembocoaching.com/big bonus. It will drive you directly to this page, or scrembocoaching.com/zero fees. By the way, all the links are located in the description area or comments area right below the video. So now I'd like to talk for those that are interested in education, for those that are looking for having an education portrayed one-to-one directly with me, specifically on their needs, a proper professional work. So let me share with you more information. For those of you that value education and think that the results are generated by hard work, preparation, and a continuous process of learning, make sure to check out watching this video, as this is my one-to-one coaching, which I do out of passion for the ones that are interested in this space of learning how to trade professionally. We do have a one-to-one coaching program where I'll take you from A to Z into the process. It's basically a program that runs between 4 to 6 weeks directly with me. Usually we're doing on Zoom conversations. So basically we have the share screen turned on, and I'm teaching you how to trade from the research process until the last stages of the market. So we're actually talking about a comprehensive process. We need an intensive coaching, which is going to have homework for you to do, where we're going to verify the knowledge together, where we're going to perform trading. It's actually explained on our page. We have 3 different stages of the coaching: psychology, technicals, and live trading. We have a whole lot of the things explained on our page. You can find out more information as well. Just watch this video here where I'm explaining how does it work. And you can, by the way, qualify for a free conversation with me of 15 minutes where we can discuss these things. So it's scrembocoaching.com with the page. You can register now. On your email, you're going to find out the offer straight away, and you can reply to that. As well, for those of you looking to join the trades that I perform for myself, if you want to be part of it, we are doing trading through API. So if you think that if you want to be part of the trades that I do for myself as well, feel free to participate. There's no upfront fees. It's just a commission out of the pure profits we make. That's pretty much all. On the left side of the page, you have my trading performance documented since September
2017. And then on the right side of the page, you have how does it work. On the top left corner, you got our page, scrembocoaching.com/today, and this is where you can have more information. Once again, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure that you're going to do all the things backed up by the data. This is very important in the trading process. Nothing can be done out of the blue, and it's not because what we want to perform out of nothing. It's most likely we need to do things correctly just because that's how the markets are telling us to do. That's all, folks. See you soon.